Welcome to the Money Talk Show TV, baby. Yeah, it's your boy, the Money Coach, and we back again, baby. Oh, yes, we're talking about investing and making money on this channel right here. So tune in. Let's go. If you didn't know, I am the Money Coach, and I started this YouTube channel to help motivate and encourage all new investors to get into the stock market, baby. So check out some other videos up there, back there, you know what I'm saying, about investing and making money, baby. But today we're going to talk about the complete guide to crypto and blockchain technology, baby. How to invest in crypto, baby. Okay, what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency are digital currencies that are not backed by any country's central bank or government. Cryptocurrency is a type of digital currency which has been created to serve as an alternative to traditional currencies like the regular dollar bills. We're getting out of that game over. That's old school. We ain't doing that no more. It is a decentralized currency, which means there is no single entity controlling the supply. That means ain't no American dollar, only the US hold it, and you know the other countries currencies. No, ain't no single entity, baby. Everybody helps run the blockchain, baby. Okay. Now, if you want to know how to start investing into crypto, baby, investing in cryptocurrency is a great way to diversify your portfolio. It is also an excellent way to make some quick cash if you're lucky enough. Now, best believe this is not no financial advice, but cryptocurrency is very risky, baby. Okay. It may seem daunting at first, but it is not so difficult as it seems. Here are some tips to help you get started investing into crypto, baby. Here go 3 tips. First, get you a wallet for your coins. You got to protect yourself. Get you a wallet that you hold your coins, baby. I got links below that you can use, crypto.com or Coinbase down there, okay? Second one is find the coins that you want to best invest in. You got to do your research, baby. I can't tell you everything. You got to do your own research, figure out what you want to invest in, and figure out from there, okay? And then third, you buy them. Okay, but you don't just buy them out of the clear blue sky. You want to buy low and sell high. You buy low, you sell high. That's the name of the game. Okay, any money making game in the stock market or crypto, you buy low, you sell high. All right. Now, what are the best ways to invest into crypto? Okay, crypto is a volatile asset. That means it can go up and down in value. That's why I say you buy low and sell high. So if you see a high, you might want to wait till you get a little low. Okay, but there are a lot of ways to invest in crypto, but not all of them are the best. If you want to know how to invest in crypto, this video right here and let you know. Okay, first you gotta invest in crypto. The first way you can invest in crypto is crypto mining. You can do crypto mining. You got crypto mining stocks. You can mine your own Bitcoin, crypto, Ethereum, Poly. You know, you can mine all those. You can even do it on the internet. You don't have to buy some of those machines. There's more ways you can do it. You can even mine on your cell phone now. Hey, okay, that's one way you can make money. Okay, but it takes a while. You know, gotta get the right equipment and the right platforms to get that money right. Okay, another way is, like I said, buy low, sell high. You want to buy some crypto, you want to invest in some money in crypto. That's one way you can make some money. You buy for the low, you flip it. Once it run up, you flip it, you sell it. Hey, that's another way. Third way is crypto staking. Okay, what is crypto staking? That's earning interest and setting your crypto locked in for a certain period of time and gaining interest off of it. You can't sell it, you know, within that certain period of time, but you gain interest for locking it in. It's another way to gain some money off your crypto. Okay. Another way is buy and sell NFTs. Oh, you can buy and sell NFTs same way. You buy them low, you sell them high. You can create your own NFTs. You can buy and sell cryptocurrency space, digital assets, websites. That's another way, man. There's so many ways. I'm running out of the room, baby. So how much money? Now you're asking yourself, how much money should I start investing into crypto? It depends on the individual. It depends on you, baby. How much money you got and you willing to risk, because it is a risk. I'm not going to tell you that anything you're going to invest in crypto is going to automatically make you some money. They lying if they tell you that. They lying. Okay, it's a risk. Anything you risk, you shoot dice, risk. You going to the gambling casino, you pulling that slot down. That's a risk, baby. You walking across the street, somebody might hit you. That's a risk. You cut somebody out at the Popeyes or McDonald's, you might get beat up. That's a risk. Everybody taking risks. Okay, so I'm taking my financial risk into the crypto. but it is a risk, okay? So it depends on how much money you need to invest in. But don't put the house money, don't put the rent money, don't put your baby mama, your baby daddy's funds, your kids' funds, life funds, all into crypto. Don't YOLO it. Don't do that. If you do that, hey, some people make it, some people don't. That's all on you, okay? But these are your ways you can make money and get into the crypto. So we told you about what cryptocurrency is, how to make money from it, how to invest in it, and from now, baby. So you do your own research and make your own decisions from now, and be blessed to invest in yourself. I'm up out of here.
Money Talk Show TV, where we make that money talk. Crypto news with investing, how that's some money talk.